Hello, my name is Zi Bao and I am a student assistant in the Creat'R Lab. We are open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Monday through Friday. Today, I will be showing you how to use our 3D printing service. The Creat'R Lab has 6 Prusa i3 MK3S FDM 3D printers that print with PLA filament only. To begin, submit a 3D print request by either visiting our website and navigating to the 3D print section. Alternatively, you can access the form by scanning the QR code posted in the lab. This form will record your email address for correspondence purposes. Next, specify your affiliation with the university as an undergraduate or graduate student, staff, faculty, or you may specify other affiliation. Let's say you are an undergraduate student. Indicate your major and academic standing and whether your 3D print is an academic print or personal print. The process is the same for graduate students. Indicate your major and academic standing and whether your 3D print is an academic print or personal print. Suppose you are a staff member. Provide information about your position and department and whether your print is an academic print or personal print. The process is the same for faculty. Provide information about your position and department and whether your print is an academic print or personal print. For personal prints, please provide a description of your print. All personal prints will be charged 6 cents per gram. We only accept bare bucks or staff and faculty departmental recharge. For academic prints, please provide information regarding the print, course, and instructor. While all academic prints are free, the course information may be verified. Next, provide a summary of your request, quantities of prints, and upload an STL file of your model. Select the color and backup color for your print. Please note that we cannot guarantee that your print will follow your color preference. Please read the terms and conditions and accept or reject them. Please note, your request will not be processed if you do not accept the terms and conditions. Select Submit to submit the form. The next step is to wait for a pickup email. The average wait time is around 7 to 10 business days. Once you receive the pickup email, you may be instructed to pick up your print either in the lockers outside the robotics lab with a code or in person at the Creat'R Lab at Orbach 140. Please remember to bring your R card if you are picking up a paid personal print. That is how you use the 3D printing service. For further help or questions, please come visit us in the Creat'R Lab, which is located in the Orbach Science Library, room 140. You can also email us at creatorlab@ucr.edu.